gotta play my song because it's 11:11 and we lit. My first video dropping today. Hey, hey. Hey. Pause. We can't be turning up like that on this channel yet. I ain't even introduced myself yet. What's up, y'all, and welcome to my channel, LifeAsDe'j. I'm Deja, obviously, and y'all, I am so excited to start this YouTube channel. It's like so overdue. This video is basically an introduction video to just let y'all know what's gonna be on my channel, who is Deja. Before I even start with LifeAsDe'j, y'all need to know who I am first. So basically this video is just telling y'all all about my channel and what's to come. So keep watching. Let me get my phone because I actually wrote all of this in my phone. So the number one question that I always get asked, no matter who I meet, no matter where I'm at, I could be at the grocery store and somebody asks me, where you from? You sound like you from down south. Y'all, I am not from down south. I don't even think I have an accent, honestly. I am from Gary, Indiana. A lot of people like to call Gary the region, but the region is multiple cities. It's not just Gary. But I'm from Gary, Indiana. Born and raised. How old am I? I'm 21 years old. If somebody asked me right now, like, what age would you want to be for the rest of your life? It probably would be 21. But don't quote me on that because I ain't seen 22, 23, 24, 25, none of them years yet. But as of now, it'll be 21. My birthday is May 19th. I'm a Taurus, you know, Taurus gang. Everybody loves Tauruses. It has been fun though, so if I could pick an age, it probably would be 21. What school do you attend? I go to Indiana University in Bloomington, and I am currently a senior. And I'm so sad, y'all. Like, being a senior is bittersweet in college. Because it's like you're ready to graduate, but then it's like, that next step is the real world. So am I really ready? College is literally a learning experience, not just in a classroom, but I learned a lot about myself and I grew into the person that I am while I was in college. So college definitely helped me. Baby, when I tell you, when I get that degree behind my name, ain't nobody gonna be able to tell me nothing. If you have the opportunity to go to college, definitely go and experience it. And it's no other environment like the college environment. So I'm definitely gonna share my college experiences with y'all. Why did I start YouTube? So I started YouTube mainly because I be having a lot to say and I always want to help people. I'm always telling somebody like where I got this, or I'm always giving advice, or I just love doing tutorials and to just show y'all everything that helped me out. Everything that I know, I want y'all to know. So that's basically why I started YouTube. I did a lot of that stuff on Snapchat and I just felt like I was kind of outgrowing Snapchat. Why did I choose LifeAsDe'j as my YouTube channel name? People usually start off doing one thing and they just keep doing that same thing over and over and they kind of get tired of it. That would be me. Like, if I started off doing makeup and I kept doing makeup, I would be like, oh my gosh, I'm tired of doing the same thing because it's kind of only so much you can do, and I would be tired of watching myself. I chose LifeAsDe'j because I like doing a lot of stuff and I didn't just want to be subjected to one thing on this channel. Let's see what to expect on my YouTube channel. I want to be able to talk to y'all. I want to be able to connect with y'all, so videos will be posted every single week. The content of my videos is going to be literally anything that's going on. I could be vlogging, I could be doing makeup tutorials, hair tutorials. I'm a model, so behind the scenes like photo shoots or what it's like being a model. And then I like to travel a lot, so y'all will definitely be seeing me traveling. I could be doing Deja Talks. Deja Talks, so if y'all don't know, Deja Talks originated from Snapchat. I would like talk and give advice on Snapchat, and one day somebody messaged me and was like, this might as well be Deja Talks. So I'm like, you know what? That's a good name. Like, I'm gonna stick with that. And ever since then, every time I feel like talking or just doing like a motivational thing or just doing a story time or something, it's always been called Deja Talks. So Deja Talks will be coming to YouTube, and I'm so excited for that because I feel like it was kind of a YouTube thing anyway, but I just did the short version and cut it in the Snapchat, you know. If you don't follow me on social media, then it's going to be right here so y'all can follow me and definitely know when I'm going to post a video on YouTube, because I will always post it on my social media before I post it on YouTube. And I really hope this video helped y'all to know me a little bit better. Obviously, y'all gonna know me the more I come on YouTube and post videos. But I just want to thank y'all so much for watching, and make sure y'all like and subscribe down below. And tell y'all grandmas, your cousins, your aunties, uncles, everybody to come watch my channel and subscribe, even if you guys take their phone and cut on their notification. Y'all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Hey, I don't know if I can do it back. Do it look like I'm breaking my shoulder? You know when you get too excited and you just be out of breath because you be talking too fast. And that's me right now. Minute Maid. Honestly, if y'all watching this video, if y'all watching this video right now, it must be one or two things. One, it's 11/11. Two, somebody didn't release my video early. Hopefully it's one. But what is popping? I mean, what's up? Like, what's up, world? That was y'all cue to answer. Cut it off. Cut it off.